8. I think it's the 18th. Yeah, we got lots of snow here. As you can see, it's pretty deep. You can barely see Molly's legs. And I'm about to go snowboarding. Oh my goodness. It's not too deep. Not as deep as I thought it was going to be. Oh, maybe it is. About 6 inches, maybe 8. Here we go, snowblower. I hope it starts. Hey Molly, what are you doing, buddy? You in the snow? Come here. Come here. I don't know, she thinks she's stuck. Good dog. Alright, I gotta... She's scared of the snowblower. She knows what I'm gonna do. Okay, I've cleared. Cleared the backyard driveway. Now I gotta do the front. I think Molly wants to go in the house, though. Still got a lot to do. Alright, it's time for the late afternoon. If I can get out of this house. Finish the rest of the snow. I don't have too much left from earlier, but there's enough to use a snowblower, I guess. There we are. Snow day. Shovel the driveway. The van that's stuck. I gotta do my porch. It's the only thing that's left. My snow covered porch.